Hello students, welcome to Momita ma'am's class. Today we would be discussing about notice writing. Now, first of all, we need to know what is a notice writing. Now, notice writing is a written or printed information or news or an announcement that is displayed at a prominent place or published in newspaper and magazine. So what is it? What does it mean? It is a written or printed information that is sometimes displayed in prominent place where everyone can see, or sometimes it may also be published in newspapers or magazines. It can also be given on school notice board. Okay, now why do we write notice? We write notice to inform a particular group. Notice is not meant for the whole world. Notice is meant for a particular group about a particular event or a particular happening. Now, what are the characteristics of a notice writing? First of all, it should have a formal tone, very formal way of writing. You cannot write informal things because it is used for official purpose. It is used for informing the mass about a certain happening. So it can never be informal. It has to be written in a formal tone with a very simple and clear language. Secondly, it should be factual and to the point. Don't write any flowery language or flowery words in notice. It should consist of very simple and lucid words, and it should be factual and to the point. Don't write about in roundabout way, dragging it long and long and long. It should be crisp and small and to the point. And see, it should be within 50 words with an appropriate heading. Okay, and it should also contain other information like where is the event held, or when is it and when is it held, who are the target groups, by whom is it held. These things has to be there in a notice. Now, types of notice include, they may be social notices. Now, what do you understand by social notice? Which is meant for the entire society, like cleanliness drive, tree plantation drive, or tree plantation program, or notice for anti-liquor drive. These things. Now, there may be school notice like celebration of annual sports or school excursion. These things. Lost and found can be written in school board as well as it can be displayed in public. Commercial or business notice. Now, what does this means? This means a notice which is for some kind of business, like say for instance the shop will remain closed. For that there is a notice, right? Or say they are giving a discount. For that also there may be a notice or advertisement also. But here we are, since we are talking about notice, we would say that there can be notice about that also. If a shop is giving clearance sale, or say a shop is giving some kind of discount, and then there may be notices by clubs and other thing about blood donation camp, and say cleanliness program. These notices are given by clubs and other institutions. Now, here we see a format of a notice. What are the things that a notice that should be there in a notice? Now, first is name of the institution, that is who is giving, which institution is giving the notice. In case it is a school, you need to write the name of the school. Then you have to write in capitals NOTICE, notice. In capital, you need to write notice, NOTICE. And then you have to write the date and month in this side extreme, like example 12 July 12 2020, and then you have to write the heading will consist of what is the purpose or intention of the notice, what is it for, what is the notice for, and then the body or content, which should have all these information like where, when, why, by whom, or who are the target groups, that is for whom is the notice given. If there is any chief guest, you need to write about that. Course of the program, what will happen in the program, and finally signature, name and designation. Designation means his post, Who is giving the notice? His name. And what is he? Say for instance, if a principal is giving the notice, you need to write the name of the principal and then at the bottom principal. If it is a school monitor, name of the person and then school monitor. These things has to be specified. Now see, this is in short again, this is the format. First of all, you need to write the name of the issuing agency or authority, then NOTICE notice, then date of issue when the notice is issued, then you need to write the title or subject of the notice. Finally, you have the body wherein you need to write when, at what time, which date, what time, how long will it be held, where it will be held. Place, venue means the same thing. And then finally you need to write authorized signatory, that is who is issuing the notice, what is its designation, and of course a signature. Now see, this is an example of a notice that I have written for you. Now what does it state? It states that as the sports secretary of ABC Public School, Pune, draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board informing the students about the ensuing annual sports. ABC Public School notice. Now see, this is the name of the school which is issuing the notice, and then you have the date of issuing the notice, November 20, 2020, annual sports day. So this is the event for which the notice is issued, and then you have, this is the body part. The notice is to inform you about the annual sports day, name of the event which will be held on which date? 18 December. So see, the notice was issued on 20th November and the event would be celebrated on 18 December on the school playground from 10 a.m. onwards. Participation of all students is mandatory. Now this is the target group. For further query, contact the undersigned, Naresh Mehta, Sports Secretary. I hope you have been able to understand this one. Now I will show you another notice that will help you to understand in a better way how to write notice. Now see, this is another notice. You are Mahesh Gupta, the school monitor, ABC Public School, Delhi. Write a notice on the cleanliness drive for your school notice board. Now ABC Public School, notice cleanliness drive in school. This is the topic. This is the date, May 20, 1920. Now this is to inform all the students that our school is organizing a cleanliness drive program. This is the occasion. When? On the World Environment Day. As you know, the World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June. So it would be held on 5th of June. The event aims at creating awareness. It would be NESS. Spelling is wrong. Awareness against global threats like pollution, global warming, and poor waste management. The detail is given as under. So now this is another way of writing, right? You are not writing the whole thing in sentence. Rather, you are writing in points. Date 5th June 2020. Time 10 a.m. to 12 noon. And venue, school campus and adjoining areas. So date, time and venue has been mentioned here. Students are humbly requested to participate wholeheartedly in the program and make it successful. ESS, again another spelling mistake from my end. SS. Successful. For further query, contact the undersigned. Please check the spellings, right? SUCCESS FUL, successful. And then I've written here whereas it would be awareness, AWARENESS. Make sure you rectify the spellings here. Okay, so these are the two examples that has been done. I hope I have been able to make the notice writing clear to you, and you have understood this topic very well. That's all for today, students. Thank you.